Hello friends, welcome to my channel. It's Robina Paul, student of MSc Nursing in AIIMS Mangalagiri. So now counseling of this MSc Nursing in 2025 still not started. So if it is started, then they gave a notification in their website, but still now they don't even give any notification. And the student who are eligible to sit in the counseling already, I think they shared mail. Okay, and before counseling started, they shared this mail. So if still now they don't even share any mail, then it is not started yet, so don't panic. And I think they will start the counseling process very soon. I think it's 3rd or 4th week of this July, and first counseling I think it's over in this July, and second counseling in the first week of the August they completed. So now before starting the counseling, you asking me about that the choice filling, that there are many colleges and there are 3-4 new colleges in this time, and each and every college have many subjects. So how you fill your choice, which subject or according to which aims. So first I share with you that what I did during my time. So especially during my time there were 63 choices, means each and every college has 4 or 5 subjects. Okay, and some college has more than 4 or 5 options because medicine is a different category. So according to this they gave each and every code beside each and every subject. So during your choice filling you will able to see, so there is up to the 63 code, means 63 subject was there according to and included all the aims. So I think this time it will be more because more college was there. So now when you start the choice filling, how you select the college and the subject. The first thing that you go either according to college, or second either according to subject. So first you have to thought that which is the your priority, like you want to go on specific subject like OBG, pediatric, med-surg, like that, or you have any dream aims in your mind like AIIMS Delhi, AIIMS Rishikesh, and you just want to go this particular aims only, whatever subject, it doesn't matter. So like this way there is two choice. So what I did during my time, that my first choice was OBG and second choice was pediatric, third was med-surg, like that. So I want to do OBG, it is my first choice. So what I did, there are different colleges who provide MSc in OBG. So you select all those colleges in first option who provide MSc in OBG. So there again different college was there. So you can put these colleges according to your choice. Like if you want to give the first option to the AIIMS Delhi, then AIIMS Delhi OBG the first you choose. Then in second option it is Jodhpur, like, so if you can give Jodhpur OBG. Like third option you want to give like Rishikesh OBG, like this way according to your college you just put the OBG subject and whichever college they provide OBG. Now if it is pediatric in second option, then like that sequence we will choose all the aims to provide MSc in pediatric and keep the college name according to your wish list. So like that you can give the option and choice filling. It is very easy, not that much tough. So when you start to fill choice one colleges, you can easily able to see that this college's name was grey shadow was there, means you already put this college in your choice fill, that's why it is showing a grey. So which are the college name is showing the white color, means still now you not put this college in your choice fill. So like this it is very easy, you will easily able to identify that much many college and subject was there. And if you miss any college or subject, so there is nothing is there, you can able to put all those college and subject, all other facility was provided. Next thing is, if you want to go particular aims, like if your choice is your first option is AIIMS Delhi, then what you do, choose the AIIMS Delhi, all the subject they provided MSc. So like this way you put OBG, pediatric, med-surg, community psychiatry, like this way you put all the AIIMS Delhi subject. In second you put all the subject of the Jodhpur or Rishikesh, Bhubaneswar, like this way you put all the subjects. So this is the two option I share with you. You can do it, you can plan now because after choice filling when it will be started, it is easy for you to select all the colleges. So now you start planning that how will you choose the college or subject. Next thing that you ask me which subject is better to do MSc. So I tell you that there is nothing like that in OBG has a special facility or med-surg has a special facility, nothing like that. All other subject is equal. So mainly MSc is for that it will help you to grow in your teaching career. So in all colleges they can take easily OBG, pediatric, med-surg, all the subject specialty according to their needs. So you can do it any, and but most of the time what I heard from my professor, that they told that there is a future, bright futures for the community, because in community now government are launching many programs, many PAC, CAC are there, so there are more good opportunity for the community. But now I to tell you that just go and choose the subject which you want, because you have to stay or spend time whole your life with this particular subject. So choose according to your subject which you want. Next thing is, in AIMS there is nothing like that 80-20 ratio like NOSET. So whoever have the good rank, they can definitely get the seat first. Next, in AIMS, when you come for MSc, here you have to compete with different kinds of students. Like there are many students you will get who are doing in-service education. Like in our batch, there are two sir who are doing in-service. They are the in-charge here in AIMS Mangalagiri. So like that, you will got many in-service education students who are doing this MSc. So you have to compete with all of them. So these are the some extra things out of track I shared with you. So now next is the counseling process you want to know. So first I tell you that don't be panic, because they share all of the protocol with you, that how you do the choice filling, how you accept your particular college which you will get beside your name, each and everything they will share with their protocol. So don't be panic. But still now you are asking me, so I tell you that in first counseling, if you sit there and you get a college, and if you want to get admitted, then there is an option, they will show accept option. You will accept and just contact with the college and get admission. But if you don't want to accept this college, there is an option or there again that you don't want to accept this college, you want to send your name in the second counseling. So according to that, there again option will be there, you can choose this option. So it is not like that you will not choose the college in first counseling, so your seat will be left, not like that. Your seat will be reserved. You will definitely get a better college in second counseling. And but one thing, that whoever want to participate in MOPA, for them that they have to leave all the seat what they are got in first and second counseling, because after second counseling they told all the colleges to show the seat, whatever the remaining seat. So if any student is holding the seat, not getting the admission, so this is tough for the college. So that's why you have to leave those seats, and then they update a new list in their website that these are the college and these are the remaining seats are pending. According to this notification, you will come to the offline MOPA round, and you can take whatever you will be get, you have to take at that time. So if you not take in second counseling, then it is a thing that you have to keep in mind, that in MOPA there is a very less chance to get a college. Because I noticed in my college that in MOPA there were one boy came, boy's rank was very less, only I think something 28-29 rank like that. Okay, so we all asked him that why he don't join before. So he told that I want to join only AIMS Bhubaneswar, but I don't get seat in AIMS Bhubaneswar, and in first counseling they only kept the college name of Bhubaneswar, not other college name. So that's why he don't get the seat, and he just don't take the admission. So next thing, he have to wait up till the MOPA, and in MOPA he got the AIMS Mangalagiri and he joined here. And after that he again leaves the colleges. Now the seat is still now remaining, no one is there in this seat. So that's why whoever had very less rank, you can go for the MOPA, but whoever rank is more than 300, so I tell you that not take any risk. Whatever seat you will get in second counseling, just go and take the admission. And the other student who already not get any seat in first or second counseling, they only go for the MOPA round. Okay, so these things I want to share with you. And the other thing, I think after they publish their notification, you will definitely know. So please still up to the their notification and their mail. So now I'm not able to make that much videos in regular basis, because my exam is coming very soon. In from 22nd July my final will be started. But if you comment me, I will definitely try to answer in your comments. So bye friends.